invited me to speak and interact with you on today's topic, which is, looking beyond the prism and the endless possibilities that are there in life. So I'm standing here because I'm a shooter, and I've been playing the sport of shooting from the last 16 years. And it was all because, firstly, possible because of my family. Secondly, because I was from Chandigarh and I am from Chandigarh, and the infrastructure and my school and colleges, everyone supported me to be here, standing here as an two-time Olympian, Arjun awardee, and as Anjum Modgil. So thank you so much. Yeah. So yeah, the topic is, how the endless possibilities are there in everyone's life. So imagine you are standing inside a prism, and the edge is there, the sharp edges, and you think this is all you have to, to grow, to find the opportunities. But that is not where the opportunities lie. But there is no thrill in just being confined to those three walls of a prism. Once you see out of that, the actual thrill begins, and there is where you find who you are as a person. And first as an athlete, as someone who started the national level competitions way back in 2009, I thought, my identity was made by the medals I win, the scores I shoot, the titles I win. And I was somewhere, I think from last 10, 12 years, I was lost in that, a cage where I thought my identity was only the medals I win, the titles and certificates I have at my home, and, the records I have. But now, at an age where, I'm growing up as a human being and the maturity of an adult coming in, I just realized there's so much beyond that prism, where I should really look beyond the possibilities of just winning and just having those medals and certificates, but to see who I am. And I was so fortunate enough to have certain experiences in my life जिसमें मैं टीम से भी बाहर हुई और मुझे जाना है ओलंपिक्स, बट नॉट एबल टू शूट गुड, क्योंकि अपने ऊपर वो प्रेशर डाला है कि अगर मैं ओलंपिक्स नहीं जाऊंगी या मेडल नहीं आएगा तो मेरी कोई वर्थ नहीं है एज एन एथलीट. सो आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं हम अपनी वर्थ उन छोटी छोटी अचीवमेंट्स के साथ इतना जोड़ लेते हैं कि हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमें क्या सच में क्या खुशी देगी चीज़ और हम क्या हैं. So that's why, when I started shooting, that was way back in 2007, 2008. So मैंने shooting इसलिए शुरू की because I didn't like everyone just running behind the scores, marks जो school में होते हैं. Everyone was just मतलब भाग रहे हैं, 90 आ गया तो they want 91%, 91 आ गया they want 95. So everyone was just rushing behind the scores. And I was someone who would not get such high scores. I was the ones in 70s and 80s, and I was very happy because I was the one who was also, getting scolded. I was into sports and also पढ़ाई भी करते थे. So तब, when I started shooting, I realized कि जो ये sport है, ये मुझे एक edge दे रही है बाकी सारे athletes, बाकी सारे classmates के ऊपर, because they were just there studying, एक दूसरे से ज़्यादा marks के चक्कर में, there was no life they had. And I was someone who always wanted to be different from others. So that's when, I was introduced to shooting. And जो वो एक trigger चलाने की feeling आती है जब एक हम bullet shoot करते हैं अपनी rifle या pistol से, that is something that gave me the confidence which I have today. And that's what really made me believe कि I am made to do something different from the crowd. So that's where, that was my first time looking beyond the prism, beyond the walls of जो हम अपने लिए एक grid बना लेते कि this is what has to be there. So back then, 2007, that's how I started. तब बिल्कुल नहीं पता था what is Olympics, what is Commonwealth Games, what is Asian Games, and क्या possibilities है, क्योंकि हमारी ऐसी game है उस पहले ऐसे ही होता था कि शूटिंग क्या है, आप या तो किसी एड की शूटिंग कर रहे हो, कैमरे के साथ शूटिंग कर रहे हो, बट नो वन न्यू अबाउट आवर स्पोर्ट. सो दैट इज व्हेन ऑल द चैलेंजेस बिगेन कि आप इतना टाइम लगा रहे हो, नो वन नोज अबाउट योर स्पोर्ट, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे इतना कोई ब्रॉडकास्ट भी नहीं करता था. So, but you know, that's where consistency matters, and that's where the people around you matter. And I was, supported by my family through the lows and the ups. Ups, mein to, everyone is there with you, but I had everyone throughout the lows, and that's when I felt ki if I am consistently doing something in which I'm really happy, and I'm working hard enough and smart enough, I can really, move forward. And within 2 years, I played my first international for India, and because my first goal was to have India on my T-shirt and my, on my back. So that I was able to achieve. फिर क्या होता है, इंडिया का ट्रैक सूट मिल गया, and the next thing I wanted was to win a medal in the international competition, जिसके लिए मुझे अगले 2-3 साल लग गए. And that's जब वो मिल गया तब आपको किसी और competition में मिलना है. So somewhere I was, in that loop, which is, I think, a thrill for athletes, and it's very important for us to also win. And I'm very happy I was able to do that. But I could, now back to like 2022, 2021 में हमारे Tokyo Olympics थे, and we were not able to win any medals in the Tokyo Olympics, the shooting sport. And when I came back from there, I think most of the athletes who were there, they had to go through a very hard time because there was a lot of criticism. So जब भी कोई भी student या कोई भी अगर individual, if they are training for or practicing for IAS और कोई भी ऐसे पेपर की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, and if they do not qualify, the family is there, only the family knows और कुछ रिश्तेदार. But as an athlete, once we go for a competition and we do not win, there are like billions of people there in India to criticize you कि इतना पैसा लगा दिया, हमारा टैक्स लगता है इनकी ट्रेनिंग के लिए, हमारा इतना टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं, ये इसकी जगह कोई और चले जाना चाहिए, इसको रिटायरमेंट लेनी चाहिए. So I think all of that negativity is something that daily an athlete has to go, because unless there is a medal around a neck, there is no value as such. So that's why I think we just rush to just get something more, क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि अगर हमें हमारी गेम से इतना कुछ मिला है, अब हम इसको छोड़ देंगे तो हम कुछ भी नहीं है. So that's where when post Tokyo, I was in a very low zone, and I had to get out of that loop where I was just punishing myself to just win. I was not happy even to just participate at the Olympics because I did not win a medal. So and people were like, कोई बात नहीं, you participated, बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है participate करना. But somewhere again, वो greedy दिमाग और दिल की athlete है तो medal जीतना है, fourth आ गए तो काश third ही आ जाते, third आ गए तो काश second होते. So that just kept going on. And it took me 5-6 months to get out of that zone I was in after Tokyo. And that's when I started working on who Anjum Maudgil was. Because kahin na kahin us loop mein I forgot who I was. And I am like they introduced, I also paint. And it really helps me to calm down and to express my emotions and to just, I'm a sort of creative person. And that really helps me to be me. But, सारे जो हम लूप में फंसे हुए थे उसकी वजह से I did not paint, I did not spend time with the family, I was just at one place training, and I was not getting the result I want. So that's when I, had to think what's going wrong and to see कि मैं क्या हूँ एक athlete के अलावा. That's when I took a break from shooting, क्योंकि मैं selection तो नहीं हो रहा था because I was not doing well. I took a break. I, went to my friend's place in Himachal, learned paragliding, learned different mountaineering things, and came back, started my painting again. Because for 2 years I did not paint because I was just, running behind getting certain scores and certain selections. So when I stopped doing my shooting, and when I, found that love for paragliding, the feeling when you are flying alone, so all of that when I started doing, that's when I realized who I was. And uske baad, I trained for some time. I became world number one in 2022. So that was something that was a milestone in an athlete's journey. So that, thank you. And then world number one बन गए हो. I think everyone is so happy. And then immediately you realize कि आपको वो अपनी worth लग ही नहीं रही है कि आप world number one बन सकते हो. So again, that downfall starts, and again the mental work starts. So that's when I started working with a psychologist कि भाई कोई self believe ही नहीं है कि मैं world number one बन सकती हूँ. And all those work started again. And then, after the Paris Olympics last year, so that's when I realized that I was again getting lost in the results. So that's when the again triggered me, जो topic है कि जो endless possibilities हैं वो क्या हैं. That's when I was really writing one day कि मुझे अपने आप को explore करना है कि मैं और क्या बन सकती हूँ apart from an athlete. So that's when I was, एक छोटी सी कहानी है. So मैं 2017 में one of my very close family members was in hospital in PGI, and so she was not well, doing well, and मेरी 0.2 से किसी एक competition की selection नहीं हुई थी. And I was very sad that, and sometimes we take it for granted कि I will not be going for this 1 month trip to Europe because मेरी selection नहीं हुई है and 2 competition के लिए. So I was very sad. I was also like, I had tears when my coach told me. But that was the best thing that had happened to me. Why? Because when I was not there traveling with the team, I was in the hospital with my aunt who was not well, she was sick. And 15 days I was like, throughout the midnight I used to be sitting there, check करना होता था medicine and सब कुछ. And I was sitting there looking around in a general ward, कई लोग ऐसे आवाज लगाते थे कि प्लीज दीदी हमारा ये बंद कर दो पाइप, टॉयलेट जाना है या कुछ भी. And to see them in pain and the family members like literally crying that हमारी family वाले एक एक दिन और जी लें. So that's what changed my perspective about life. कि हम कैसे we're just rushing behind the results. We're, backbiting कर रहे हैं किसी के बारे में. किसी ने ये बोल दिया, I want that, I want this. We're just so lost in all the external things that we forget that what really matters is you being happy, you being healthy, and your family being healthy with you. I think that is the most important aspect of life that I have learned in those days when I was there in the hospital. And unfortunately, my aunt passed away. But after that, that changed my life. And next year was Commonwealth Games in 2018. Once I came back after winning a silver medal and the Commonwealth Games record, which I shot, I came back and I got to read a diary which my aunt left behind. And उसमें उन्होंने लिखा हुआ था कि 2018 में, there is this games and Anjum will be winning a medal. So that was an achievement for me and I was able to do it. But all of those experiences taught me that life goes on. You will be achieving things, you will be not achieving things, there will be so many downfalls, but trust the process, but also keep the people around you happy, be healthy, but at the same time, do not forget to live life in the present. Because, if you are just too much focused on what you want in the future, there is no fun of being here today and in the present. So enjoy time with your family. That's what I had learned that day and, that year in the hospital. And that has really transformed me as a person. And that's when I started, exploring things beyond my sports, because sports पहले सिर्फ एक हिस्सा नहीं था मेरी लाइफ का. It was my life. But now after turning 30, I realized, okay, it's just a part. I have to grow somewhere and, learn different possibilities. So that's when I, focused on some opening my own things here and there, and, and started public speaking to, interact with people, learn something, share my experiences. So I think that's what really helped me, and I think I really resonated well with the topic today about exploring the possibilities of who you are. And I would really like to, end by saying that do not, rush behind the things we see on social media. Do not rush behind the things we listen apne aspas, but see who you are as a person, what you can be, work on it, but also do not forget to be kind enough to help each other out, because there is no fun in achieving things alone. Trust me, if you do not have a good set of people, healthy a healthy community around you, there is no fun achieving things alone. So work on yourself, build a good community around you, keep sharing love, and keep growing, but do not forget to be happy. Thank you so much. Thank you.